back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so today I'm going to do a little bit of venting, and of course I'm here to chit chat with you guys as always. But first off, I wanted to let you guys know that I have on my plate a turkey drumstick. I have some rice, string beans, potatoes, and I have some radish because I love radish. A lot of people don't like it, but I do. And I have some crystal and some tapatio. I didn't know which one I wanted to use. And I also have a drink that I made. It has strawberries and grapes in there. So let me do a thumbnail. Hold on, I put it over. Okay. Now I'm gonna start off with a prayer, and then we'll dig in, and I'll talk. Amen. And amen again. All right. Let's see which one I want to put on here. First, let me try. Oh, I love crystal. I love tapatio too, but crystal is one of my favorites. By the way, this thing should be a little crunchy. Alright, so yesterday I made a video of the Pizza Hut. Now mind you, my comments are always turned on. Always. I get a comment that came in. I'm about to respond back. Out of nowhere, it says you can't comment. Like the comments are disabled. Like, I was like, hold up. Why? My comments have never been disabled before. Mind you, YouTube shut it down because they said my daughter was involved, and it's because of the protection of a minor. You know how many videos I got like that in the comments they get turned off? I guess they was on their board yesterday. I don't know. It was crazy, but it really bothered me because I don't want people to think that I'm not responding to them. I'm learning that. YouTube definitely did that. And I hear a lot of people complaining about them doing certain stuff to them, like letting their notifications go off. Like I have a lot of notifications turned on my phone too for other people that I want to watch on YouTube, but I don't get them. I see them later on pop up on my notification. I'm like, hold on. How did I miss it? And I got them down for their notifications to, you know, make me aware that they're doing the video. YouTube is stopping a lot of stuff. Which is straight up disrespectful. Really trying to take the money out of people's pockets. I guess, because I'm not even monetized yet. I know that, so I don't know why they do that. I don't have any idea. But I love having someone in the video with me because they keep the conversation going, especially my children, because they really keep it going. And the younger one, she got so much energy. She told me, Mom, oh, you have to be more live, like when you get in there. If you notice her, she's live. So, she definitely had a one-on-one with me. And let me know that I need to step my game up. And I appreciate it. Constructive criticism, I love it. I don't care. Bring it on. That suits you. Step your game up and do better. I'm gonna roll it. She crunching the hell out of that radish. Yes, I am, because it's good. Some people are like, how you eat that? I like it. I do like it. I didn't even share with you guys. Let me give you a piece of this on the other side. On the other side is a little crunchy too. The part I didn't like. And pour some Cristo on there, because I love Cristo. No. I tell you, I did my thing on this. I did my thing. And the phone would start ringing. The house phone again, of course. That's why I set it right next to me so I can turn that thing off when I'm doing my videos. That's the only time it want to ring. I'm sitting there all day chilling. Nothing. As soon as I start a video, I'm gonna start. Now these potatoes are so good. I have sweet. I have a green and like a yellow pepper. Sweet peppers that I cooked it in. It's so good. They're golden potatoes. Nice and soft. I ain't do turkey legs in a long time. I used to always cook turkey wings. And I stopped. Because everybody was like, chicken, chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. And I like doing foods too, instead of just doing seafood all the time. I know it's the saying, the seafood, you want food. But that's for all kinds of foods, not just seafood. Because they definitely say you are what you eat. So I try to switch it up instead of eating seafood all the time. And drink a lot of water. Somebody's out there. Y'all hear that beeping with this truck out there. So good, y'all. Sorry about it. Excuse me. Y'all know what I want? I think I want some Maryland style crabs. I ain't had that in a minute. And I like to get them during the season because when you get them off season, they be like dirty, like a lot of dirt in them. And I can't do it. And a lot of places like to sell them frozen. Because I guess they clean them and try to preserve them and give them to you clean. But in the process of them cleaning it, when you cook them, that actually makes them, and they refreeze them, that makes them soggy once you cook them. And mind you, I bought them a lot of times like that. I did. I ain't even gonna stop. I did that a lot. Cause that's how much I love the Maryland style crab. Oh, excuse me. But when it's in season, boy oh boy, you get them. I always order number ones. Excuse me if I'm looking weird because somebody's here. I always get the number ones, and they're like huge, humongous, like they're crab legs, like it's like that thick, and they're like big. They cost a lot, and I try to get them as soon as the season come in, so they're really like overpriced. But guess what? I still get them. They're leaving. You know how I say, don't cheat yourself, treat yourself? That's what I do every once in a while. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I do treat myself every once in a while. Because it is important to save, but put that money wherever you got, where it's supposed to be at. Especially if you're saving, not giving it to your kids. But the stuff you have left for you, do what you gotta do, because guess what? When you give, that money cannot go with you. Those items, whatever you got, cannot go with. A little discrepancy, but I'm back. Like I was saying, guys, always treat yourself, no matter what. If you don't love yourself first, how can you expect somebody else to love you and take care of you? With that being said, guys, the food was so delicious, and I'm about to end this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you guys know when I upload my next video. Until next time, see you guys.